Welcome back, violinisti. So do your open strings sound rough? They sound thin, scratchy, even though you're not pressing anything? So I'm going to give you 4 solutions here. So try to take some notes and write them on your book constantly, because these are really going to be helpful. Okay, so this surprises most beginners, because the open strings should sound the easiest, right? You're thinking, I'm not putting down any fingers, so how come my sound is bad? So it comes down to bow control and to setup. So I'll give you these 4 elements that you can work on. So the first one is bow contact instability point. So what you'll be noticing is that sometimes involuntarily you will start here and then you start migrating towards the fingerboard, or then you start migrating towards the bridge. This element here is called the bridge. So, and then the sound obviously changes. So you need to be in a stable middle zone, and so you avoid that scratchiness that might end up causing you that sound that you definitely don't want. So then you have to have the second one is bow speed and pressure imbalance. So you're going maybe too slow with too much pressure. So this might be happening. And what you can see is I haven't even started to make a sound, but because you're going so slow and you're putting too much pressure. So think about it, if I lift all my fingers, why does it sound so pretty? It's because I'm not putting any pressure whatsoever and I'm just moving the bow. So watch out for that first millimeter. Okay, you'll get the scratch, so you don't want that. Also, you can be going too fast with no control. So you've got this very airy sound. So that's the second one, okay? Take note of that. Poor rosin distribution. So this amazes most of my students. So most of the time I notice many adults as well, they put rosin on the bow, but where do they put it? They just put it in the middle. What about here and what about here? You need to put rosin all the way through. And I can notice many students, the rosin, the bow is white and then here it's yellowish and yellowish. So when they play here, there's no sound. And I can't demonstrate this because I've got rosin all throughout my bow. So you want to have rosin all the way through and make sure it's all the way through. And also don't, this is a special bonus, but I talk about it in another video, don't grab your bow with your fingers, because you're going to get, it's going to get all oily, and then those are going to be the areas that are not going to play. Okay, so watch out for that. Now this is a freshly rehead bow, so it's beautiful white and got rosin everywhere, and yeah, with time it gets oily, it fades away. So it's also, see if your bow is not too old if you bought it secondhand. And then there could be fourth reasoning, left-hand interference. You might not even be noticing it, that you're holding and then you're just strangling the neck, but you're not making the open string play because you're squeezing the neck. Okay, put your hand here, so describe in other videos, and don't worry about this hand. So this hand should not be interfering. Make sure that also that you put in the comments what helped you, so that way other violinists can see what was your solution. And also make sure that you download the free violin planner kit. It's free and it can be of use and fix a lot of little things that you wouldn't otherwise have heard elsewhere. If you can please like and subscribe, that would be really help me and make me happy. Contento, make me happy, and it'll make me grow the channel. So I really appreciate you looking at this video. And until next time, studia lentamente. So practice very slowly. Okay, ciao ciao.